Hey, Nelson Luzdella, we almost got these bass-ackwards chicken-fried idiots into thinking this is a cruise ship. Now we just have to get through the captain's dinner. What could possibly go wrong?
As captain of this castle, and by castle I mean ship, I'd like to welcome you to my table. Waiter, if you'd serve the crap, please.
Your scallops in herbed butter, crushed and toasted and served with tiny blue marshmallows, madam.
Captain, when will we be allowed up on deck? Captain?
Captain?
Oh, quit hitting me!
Well, answer the nice... Isaac! Tranquilize again! Will there be anything else?
No. We're good.
Good.